Its remarkably slim profile of just over 3 inches allows it to navigate effortlessly under low-clearance furniture, reaching dust that bulkier vacuums often miss. With an immense 22,000 pascals of suction power, it deeply cleans carpets and hard floors, while the specialized brushes prevent frustrating hair tangles from pets or long hair. An innovative extending side brush and mop system actively reaches into corners and along baseboards, ensuring no area is overlooked for a truly comprehensive clean. The intelligent chassis can navigate over household thresholds and automatically lifts its dual spinning mops when it detects carpet, preventing any unwanted dampness on your rugs. The all-in-one docking station provides a truly hands-free experience by automatically emptying the dustbin, washing the mops with 176-degree Fahrenheit water, and drying them with hot air. Beyond cleaning, it integrates seamlessly into your smart home with an offline voice assistant and even includes a built-in camera for two-way video calls to check on your pets.